Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity, where, as you recall, I did a hamburger poll. This is Shotgun Red's Scot burger. I think it came in second place. This is just a plain burger patty, which I made out of Beyond Beef. Nothing special about the burger, nothing special about the bun, but it is piled up with shredded cabbage and this very fancy burger sauce. This is a burger that used to be served at a restaurant in, I think, Minnesota called Sandy's. So it's the Sandy's Scot burger, and this is the Sandy's burger sauce. Now, I put the original recipe up. I didn't follow it because it called for 4 tablespoons of sugar. I used half the sugar, and I substituted with monk fruit sweetener, because I imagine that it's supposed to be really, really sweet to go with the shredded cabbage, but I just can't cope with that much sugar. So let me go ahead and try this. It's going to be a two-handed job here, so hang on. This is good. I like it. I'm glad I didn't put all that sweetener in the sauce. The sauce is Veganized, dill pickle relish. That's another thing you're supposed to put in, is sweet pickle relish, and I hate sweet pickle relish. So I put dill pickle relish and the sweetener and a whole bunch of minced dried onion. So you have to make the sauce ahead of time and let the onion hydrate in the Veganized. It's probably the onion that makes it so darn good. It's really quite delicious. A very nice combination. I can see why it would have been popular at that restaurant. So I will have the recipe on my blog. I will link it in the description. I will link to the previous video, regular uploads, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I'm just looking at all this mess. This is a very messy burger, but it's good. Community tab posts Monday and Friday. Occasional shorts Wednesday. Saturday videos Saturday. That's cat speech for Saturday. Thank you, as always, everyone, for watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. And I will see you later, guys.